Hello student, good morning. Today we are discuss about the introduction of artificial intelligence. Basically here we have discussed about the artificial intelligence, some basic concept of artificial intelligence, why we have studied about the artificial, what are the features, advantage, disadvantage, the terms are there. The contents are there, basics, then definitions, need of artificial intelligence, then what are the goals of artificial intelligence, then AI contributes in the society, then some tools of AI and applications of AI applications, some examples are there. Now we start from the basics. Artificial intelligence. AI stands for the artificial intelligence, where intelligence is the ability to learn and solve the problems. Basically, how you can learn to solve a particular problem. So AI is to make the computers intelligent so that they can act intelligently. One question is raised: how much computer would become intelligent? So how much intelligent? How you can measure? And second question is that how can one judge the intelligence? So to solve such things, there is a Turing test is proposed. You can study these terms during test in further classes. So intelligence, for example, you just make the machine as intelligent as a human body. So intelligence is the composed of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, linguistic intelligence. Artificial intelligence is composed of two words. First one is the artificial and second word is the intelligence. The two words are there. Artificial means man-made, is not the nature-based. That is natural. That is man-made. Human body manufactured or create these things. And intelligence defines the thinking power. So hence AI means a man-made thinking power. It is the branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions. Now we have discussed about the definition, standard definition. As artificial intelligence is proposed by John McCarthy. So he is called the father of artificial intelligence. According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is the science and engineering of making intelligence machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot, or a software think intelligently. In the similar manner, the intelligent human thinks. AI is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks, how the human body brains are thinking, how they have planned, how they can resolve the problems, their problem solving capability, their reasoning to thinking about the learning capabilities, and how human learns, how they have learned, how they have decided, taking the decision and work while trying to solve a problem. And means whatever the procedure they have followed to solve a particular problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as a basic of developing intelligent software and systems. Now we have discussed about the need. What are the needs of artificial intelligence? There are basic two needs: to create expert system which exhibit intelligent behavior with the capability to learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its user. It's also helping machine find two solutions to complex problems like humans do any, and applying them as algorithm in a computer friendly manner. Basically, the needs is for the automation. Automatic system, they have solved the problem, they have learned, they are thinking, they have followed the procedure to resolve the problem as a human. Other needs are following are some main reasons to learn about the AI. With the help of AI, you can create such software or device which can solve real world problems very easily and with accurate, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. With the help of AI, you can create your personal virtual assistant such as Cortana, Google Assistant, Siri, etc. With the help of AI, you can build a such so robot which can work in the environment where survival of humans can be at risk. For machinery systems, AI opens a path for other new technologies, new devices, and new opportunities. Now we have focused about the goals of artificial intelligence. To create expert system and to implement a human intelligence in machines. For to create an expert system, the system which exhibits intelligent behavior, system that will exhibit as a human intelligent behavior, like a human body. They have learned capabilities, demonstrate themselves, and explain whatever the things are there, and advise its users for any queries. And in case of the to implement human intelligence in machines, how the human intelligence or brain are working is similar manner we have followed to put up in a machines. So the human intelligence is implemented in a machine, means creating the system that understand, think, learn and behave like a human body. Following are the main goals of artificial intelligence that replicate the human intelligence. Means a replica of human intelligence is created, solve the knowledge intensive task and intelligent connections of perception and actions. Building a machine which can perform tasks that requires human intelligence such as providing a theorem, playing a chess, plan such surgical operation, driving a car in a traffic and so on. Creating some systems which can exhibit intelligent behavior, learn new things by itself, demonstrate, explain, and can advise to its user. That are the goals of artificial intelligence. Now we have focused about the AI contributes. AI is contributed all over the world in different discipline areas. Some discipline areas we have discussed here. Artificial intelligence is a science and technology based on disciplines such as computer science. They have collaborated with computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. A major thrust of AI is in the development of computer functions associated with human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and problem solving. That is the artificial intelligence collaborated areas. As earlier we have discussed, they have collaborated with the computer science, also collaborated with psychology, also collaborated with neural science, then collaborated biology, philosophy, maths, sociology, etc. AI tools. Some AI tools are here we have discussed. AI has developed a large number of tools to solve the most difficult problem in the computer science, like search and optimize search and optimization problem, like min max, alpha beta, Google path search, such type of problem. Logics, some logics to resolve the problems, like monkey banana problem, other problem, how they have resolved the queries of machinery systems, probabilistic methods for uncertain reasoning, classification and statistical learning methods, neural networks, control theory, language, etc. Application of artificial intelligence. Like, artificial intelligence has been dominant in various fields such as gaming. AI plays a crucial role in strategic games such as chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, etc., where machine can think of large number of possible positions based on the heuristic knowledge. Natural language processing. It is possible to interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. Expert system. There are some applications which integrate machines, softwares, and special information to impart reasoning and advice. They provide explanation and advice to the user. Vision systems. These systems understand, interpret, and comprehend visual inputs on the computer. For example, spacing aeroplane takes photographs which are used to figure out spatial information or map of the areas. Doctors use clinical expert system to diagnose the patients. Police use computer software that can recognize the face of the criminal with the store patterns made by the forensic artist. Some other speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. It can handle different accents, slangs, words, noise in the background, changes in humans' noise due to the cold, etc. Handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written in the paper by pen or on screen by styles. It can recognize the shapes of the letters and convert it into the editable text. Intelligent robots are able to perform the task given by human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump and pressure, etc. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to the new environments. AI applications examples are autonomous vehicles such as the drone and self-driving cars. In self-driving cars, they have self-detected the path, self-detected the other uh, items uh, of selects, and self-detected the speeds. They have followed everything. Similarly, drones are there. Medical diagnosis. Some diseases are diagnosed by the robotics instruments or AI-based instruments, creating art such as poetry, automatic creating, providing mathematical theorems, playing games such as the chess or Go, uh, search engines such as Google search, virtual assistants like Siri, image recognition in photographs, spam filtering. Other applications include healthcare, automotive, finance, video, gaming, etc. and so on. Advantage of AI. Following are the some main advantage of artificial intelligence: high accuracy with less error. AI machines or systems are prone to less error and high accuracy as it takes decision as per the pre-experience or information. High speed. AI system can be of very high speed and fast decision making. Because of that, AI systems can beat or chess champions in the chess game. High reliability. AI machines are highly reliable and can perform the same action multiple times with high accuracy. Useful for risky areas. AI machines can be helpful in the situations such as defusing a bomb, exploring the ocean floor, where to employ a human can be risky. Digital assistant. AI can be very useful to provide the digital assistant to the user, such as AI technologies is currently used by various e-commerce websites to show the products as per customer requirements. Useful as a public utility. AI can be very useful for public utilities such as a self-driving car which can make our journey safer and hassle-free. Facial recognition for security purpose, natural language processing to communicate with the human in human language, etc. Some are the disadvantage of artificial intelligence as high cost, can't think out of the box, no feelings and no emotions. First, we have discussed about the high cost. The hardware and software requirements of AI is very costly as it's required lots of maintenance to meet the current world requirements and can't think out of the box. Even we are making smarter machines with AI, but still they can't work out of the box. Whatever we have the program, they have followed the same procedure to solve the problem. Beyond that particular program, whatever we have deployed, they can't understand. Or beyond the program, they followed. They did not follow any rules to solve the problem. So AI did not, still they cannot work out of the box as the robot will only do that work for which they are trained or programmed. Third disadvantage is no feelings and emotions. In machines as artificial intelligence, machines can be an outstanding performer, but still it is not does not have the feelings, so it cannot make any kinds of emotional attachment with humans, and many sometimes may sometimes be harmful for users if the proper care is not taken. Other disadvantage increased dependent on machines. With the increment of technology, people are getting more dependent on devices and hence they are losing their mental capabilities. So, Next disadvantage is no original creativity, as humans are so creative and can imagine some new ideas. But still, AI machines cannot beat this power of human intelligence and cannot be creative and imaginations. Thank you, students. Any queries, if you can ask me. This is the basic introduction of artificial intelligence, where we have discussed about whatever the artificial intelligence, their definitions, and whatever the definitions proposed by John McCarthy, then their applications in different collaborated areas, their advantage, disadvantage. Thank you.